Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the horn on a Tesla Model 3. First, ensure your vehicle is powered off and the 12V battery is disconnected for safety. You'll need to carefully lift the front of the car using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Have your tools ready, including a trim removal kit, various sockets, and a new horn. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. To access the horn on a Model 3, you'll need to open the frunk. Remove any items stored inside. Then, using a trim removal tool, carefully detach the plastic frunk liner. There are usually several clips and fasteners. Once the liner is removed, you will find the horn assembly located directly below the frunk latch mechanism. This provides clear access for replacement. With the horn now visible, locate its electrical connector. Disconnect it by pressing the tab and gently pulling it free. Next, use a socket wrench to unbolt the old horn from its mounting bracket. Once removed, take your new horn, secure it to the bracket, and firmly plug in the electrical connector. Double-check that everything is snug and properly aligned. Finally, it's time to put everything back together. Carefully align the frunk liner and reattach all the clips and fasteners you removed earlier. Make sure it's securely in place. Once the frunk is reassembled, reconnect your 12V battery. Power up your Tesla and give that new horn a test honk to ensure it's working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your horn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.